The beautiful beach drive at Wentworth Woodhouse has been cordoned off to visitors for the coming months as we continue our regeneration works on the Ionic Temple and the Camellia House. A site office complex has been created and scaffolding has been erected to facilitate access to the roof plate level. We've constructed a crash deck to protect the precious historic camellia collection below, and a series of light tunnels have been created to ensure that natural light reaches the camellias during the construction works. In total, 10 light tunnels will be built. The temporary roof coverings over Lady Rockingham's tea room have been removed, exposing the roof timbers in the oldest part of the structure, which dates back to the 1730s. At roof level, it's clear just how much damage has been caused by water ingress and invasive vegetation, and this will take many weeks to carefully restore. The interior brickwork skin of the Camellia House is in a much worse state than originally thought, and plans are being drawn up to deal with the complexities that this decay presents. The original architect's drawings from 1812 show the Camellia House adorned with statues above a balustraded parapet. The statues have disappeared and we don't know where they are today, but we do have plans to replace them. We've removed the balusters, which are much more delicate than those on the mansion. They're only 50 centimetres tall and were secured to the roofline by table joints. Structural movement at the Camellia House has meant that many of them have fractured at the neck of the baluster, which is only 5 centimetres in diameter. This is actually quite an easy fix, with a stainless steel dowel which is resin set into the body of each baluster, and this way we can keep as much of the original material as possible. Each of the balusters is numbered so that we can return it to its original location on the roofline. Like the balusters, each of the cast iron roof trusses is also numbered to ensure it returns to its original location. These were all laid down, ready to be removed. The roof timbers into which they'd been fixed were completely rotten, making the trusses incredibly unsafe to walk beneath. As night fell, we were preparing for a busy day ahead. We needed a crane on site to hoist the trusses down to ground level, and in late September it arrived and removed the trusses in a single day. An initial weight check was done on the first truss and it came in at around 200 kilograms. This meant that we could crane the trusses off in pairs. There are 9 roof trusses in total, and these have now been sent off to be shot blasted and receive an undercoat of paint. At ground level, it's clear that the trusses were originally painted an off-white colour. Work continues on site as we prepare to put a temporary roof over the Camellia House, so watch out for future videos as we follow this fascinating story.